So, I said I'd put my videos back together and show you it, and I did. Problem is now, the gasket's gone completely, so just put the original one back on for now, but I think I'm going to replace it now. I've got some gasket paper inside, so gotta get that in a minute. And I need to put some gasket paper here, because I lost them. That's the carburetor that I just refurbished. Air cleaner's somewhere. Don't know, I think it's outside and gone. It's already dark outside. Probably about 5 o'clock now. I don't know. But got no filter is gone. No fuel line. So at the moment I've just been connecting up to my brakes. Yeah, I did have it running, but it'll only run in choke because that gasket's gone. And I lost bolts and that there. That's just a nut or something off a piece of machinery that was at school. I borrowed it when I was rebuilding this for the first time. I've rebuilt this probably about 6 or 7 times now, this engine. But I said the little clip was missing, one of them, this morning. Took my strimmer out to use that, had it running for a couple of seconds, and it started to slow down really quickly and stall, kept doing it. And I pulled it a couple of times with the power off and it was squeaking. And because I don't have any 2-stroke, I was putting 4-stroke in it, and I forgot, ran it too long, and it started to seize. Stripped it all, cleaned it all, put it back together, ran it with some 4-stroke oil in it again, and it's running fine again. I went away to go do some stripping and found the clip in the grass, so that was very lucky. And then, I can't find it now. There we go. Using that, it's a spanner with a bit of white tack on the end. I used it to put these little clips back in, and 2 screwdrivers, wedged it in, and I've lost the on-off switch too, which is meant to go there. It's meant to bolt on there. I spent £7 on oil and gasket paper today to put this back together. This didn't have all of that oil put in there. I put the rest of it in there. I'm keeping them to put the oil in from these after because I'm too cheap. But this is the old oil out of the Briggs. That is seriously shit. Except it's mixed with maybe a quarter of a thing of that because I just drained the oil out and I've left that underneath, and I forgot to do up a little plug when I put the oil in, and most a load of it drained out again. This is still a state and burnt it somehow. I think I set fire to it at one time. So first I'm going to start by taking off the shroud, then the cylinder head. So do that. Do that. All your takes out. That's why we don't use an impact wrench to put in spark plugs. What the fuck? Wrong way. Should be loose in it. I think I've just tightened it. I've got... No, I haven't. Why is it working like this? That's time. My impact wrench is working backwards. What's going on here? Something's on tits up. Not bad. So what the hell is that? That's... I think the threads in the cylinder head gone. That's not right. Shouldn't be that hard to take that out. Oh yeah. Word of advice: don't put spark plugs in an impact wrench, otherwise it takes your threads out. So I'll probably just tap it or something and get a big spark plug. Oh well. Yeah. Most of the parts in there I've lost, so all these are just different bits of stringers and other engines. Now, screwdriver, as usual. Believe it or not, but this thing has actually been resprayed at one time. Time to take the Eastern head off with all of its odds, nuts and bolts. The only Allen key I have that actually fits it. Oh, it's 14 now. Good. Worried about those threads in that spark plug bit. Hey. Oh shit. Got some metal threads in there as well. Show you. Ooh, nearly lost you. Don't think you can see. Oh, I'll just take it off. Wasn't like that when I put it on. Oh. There you go. It's broke right there. So, take it inside, trace it, and cut a new one. Let's put it back on this oil soaked. So let's know this here. Oh, that's been running rich. See this shit. That's burnt fuel. That was pretty clean when I put it in. And to be honest, it's only been running. It's only running for 2 to 3 seconds. not a very big piston though. It's got no scoring in it, which is always good. Actually, ever since I've had this engine, it's always been in really good nick. I never had that much onto it. It's only got one compression ring. When I was taking that apart, one of them was shattered. I think that did one little scratch just up here. I can't see that at all. You can see it got the valves going. Yeah, kill. Right.